Think winter is a breeze here in Warner Robins? Think again. Unexpected chills and hidden hazards could catch you off guard this season. Stay tuned to truly discover how to prepare for Warner Robins winters. Hey, my name is Mischa Thompson, your favorite Warner Robins real estate agent, and whether you are new to the area or you're a long-time resident of Warner Robins, the winters have their own surprises here. Today, I'm gonna share my top tips to keep you warm, safe, and everything else that this winter season could potentially throw at you. So let's dive in. Tip number one I have for you is don't underestimate the cold snaps. Sure, our winter temperatures here in Middle Georgia are way milder than up north in the state or in any other northern or midwestern state of the United States. But did you know that temperatures actually can dip below freezing? In fact, we can expect an average low temperature of 35 degrees here in Middle Georgia in the January time frame. And those unexpected cold snaps could catch you unprepared. So make sure you are going to check the weather forecast frequently and keep those warm clothes handy. Tip number two is prepare your home for the cooler temperatures. Heating bills in Middle Georgia can creep up on you if your home isn't ready. And with a lot of people using electrical heat here in the Warner Robins area, that could get very expensive. So seal those drafts by checking your windows and your doors. Did you know that simple weather stripping could save you up to 20% of your heating cost? Also make sure that you have your heating system serviced frequently so it runs as efficient as possible and you are not waking up to any surprises like waking up in a freezer. Tip number three is protect your pipes. Freezing temperatures can spell trouble for your pipes. To prevent your pipes from bursting, make sure to insulate the pipes, especially in unheated places like crawl space, attic, or the garage. And don't forget to disconnect your garden hose and cover your outside spigots. Tip number four is vehicle maintenance is key. Our cars need a little TLC in the winter too. Check your tire pressure frequently because with dropping temperatures, it could be that your tire pressure is dropping too. And maybe consider having a winter emergency kit in your car that consists of a flashlight, a blanket, as well as jumper cables, just in case. Tip number five, embrace local winter activities. I mean, it's not like snowboarding or skiing or sledding, but there is something to do here in Warner Robins. Winter is a fantastic time to, for example, visit the Museum of Aviation or any other locations and festivals that are winter themed. There are a lot of things to do and embrace those winter activities, even though it's a little bit chilly, but it makes it so much nicer to go out and just check out what is out there, what activities can you do or you and your family can do. And last but not least, tip number six is stay informed with local resources. Stay ahead of potential winter weather advisories here in Warner Robins by following the local news or the National Weather Service updates. Also consider signing up for local emergency alerts on your phone to stay up to date with everything that is going on in any advisory so you can be prepared if something is going to happen here. So there you have it, the ultimate guide to tackling winter here in Warner Robins, Georgia. Preparation is key to an enjoyable and safe winter season. If you found those tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And if you have any other tips that you want to share, put them in the comments below. And hey, if you are thinking about making a move to Warner Robins or you're PCS-ing to Robins Air Force Base and maybe have any real estate related questions, even if you already live here, reach out to me. I'm here to help. My contact information is in the description below. No obligations whatsoever. I'm here to help. And make sure you watch some of the other videos, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.